Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit list view in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to and go to the setup, and from setup, we will be able to start changing the views. So from here, I'm just going, uh, for example, to first let's go to any launcher or to any tab. For example, I will go to the accounts, and from here we can find our list view. So here we can find this list view, and as you can see, now we can view this controller. So from here we can start control our view. We can create a new one, and from here we can give the list a name, and basically my new list, for example, or let's just name it like that, new list. And here you will need just to give it like this. It will generate a name automatically, and you can choose if you want it to be private or public, and I'm going to click on save. So from here, we can find our view, and basically this is my new list, and now you can start adding the filters to it. So from here, you will be able to see everything. So now we can be able to add filters. Now you will need just to filter the field that you want and the operator, and you can give it a value. Or for example, you can find all these operators and you can choose the value and click on done. Of course, the filter should be eligible, so it should be correct, and then you will start having your list view that will be filtered. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.